I think we're going up there. I don't think that's the way.
Oh wow, look at this.
We're thinking that might be where this hideout is. These ruins, maybe right up there. There's a little cave right here. Oh wow, look at that.
Welcome back, explorers. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey, hiking through the breathtaking landscape of the desert Southwest. Our mission? To uncover the hidden ruins of the remarkable Sinagua people. What secrets do these ancient ruins hold that have captivated explorers for centuries? The ancient people built many secret and hidden cliff dwellings in the red rock country of the desert Southwest. Tom and I are looking at this area on Google Earth. We are focused on these alcove areas that make great natural shelters to build a cliff dwelling. We can't see inside the alcove with Google Earth, and since this is a no-fly zone for drones, we are up for another desert adventure to see for ourselves in person. Thank you for subscribing and joining us on another ancient journey.
Oh, here's the wash. We gotta cross the wash. And the cairn's way over there.
So the other day, we were looking for cairns and we found an arrow. This is purposeful right here. It's like an arrow.
Oh.
Look, right here. Psh, psh.
Oh, man.
Yep. Here. Oh, there was a rock here too. But it was that one.
So they're pointing that the trail is this way.
Yeah. This way, and it wasn't. And then we were reading the description and somebody had mentioned an arroyo and we thought it was a misspelling.
Yeah, that look for the arroyo, or we thought it was an arrow.
Yeah, like maybe they meant arrow.
And arroyo is a real word.
It's a real thing, and it's this.
Yeah, I guess something to do with a sloping sandstone rock or something.
Yeah. But yeah, that's one of the...
Let us know if you've heard of that word before.
Learn something new every day. Okay.
So we got potential path that way, and then we got
This way.
over here. You want to try that, and I'll try this?
Okay.
This trail is definitely not well marked.
How do desert plants and animals adapt to survive in extreme arid conditions? Why did the Sinagua people choose such remote and rugged landscapes for their homes? We'll answer some of these questions, but as we hike, take a moment to soak in the beauty around us. The vibrant desert flowers, like tiny jewels, dotting the rugged terrain, remind us of nature's resilience. The desert is beautiful in the springtime. So many flowering plants, spring rain, feels so new and fresh.
These are juniper berries here. Pretty common in this part of the desert Southwest.
Just don't end up in the prickly pear.
That's right.
That's a pretty pink rock.
This is the yucca plant. These are like daggers and will put a hole in you so you do not brush up against these. Would not be good.
Desert plants have evolved features like succulent leaves or deep roots to conserve water, while animals may be nocturnal to avoid daytime heat or have specialized kidneys to minimize water loss. These adaptations allow them to thrive in a seemingly inhospitable environment.
butterfly, or I think it's a butterfly. You might want to stand back. You got lots of branches here.
These rocks are so pretty. It's just crazy
Almost
how
like a heart.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Open up here.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Actually, I think this might be what that arroyo is. That thing right there.
So it's not an arrow, it's an arroyo.
I think we're going up there.
Oh, wow. Are you serious?
I think so. We will find out. Look at that view back there. Beautiful.
Yeah, gorgeous. This is epic.
It's quite the vertical here.
Like, I just want to do this every day. Just climb something.
This is loose.
Okay.
Huffing and puffing on this one. We got a rock wall up here.
Oh, already?
Yeah.
Wow.
So maybe we're getting close.
The Sinagua were true innovators, mastering the art of desert survival with ingenious techniques and a deep respect for their environment.
Lots of loose rock here.
Our path takes us higher, where the air is thin and the views are limitless. Picture the Sinagua families who once called these cliffs home. What unique challenges did the Sinagua people face living in the desert Southwest? The Sinagua people faced challenges such as harsh desert climate, limited water resources, and the need to adapt their agriculture to arid conditions. What evidence suggests that the Sinagua people were skilled artisans and craftsmen? Archaeological findings, including pottery, tools, and artwork such as petroglyphs and pictographs, indicate that the Sinagua were skilled artisans. Their pottery featured intricate designs and was often traded with neighboring cultures. Yeah, I'm going to let you go first.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I'll let you...
Look a little sketch.
Yeah.
There's a little cave right here.
I noticed that.
Hang back, let me check it out.
Okay.
Oh, little spot for a 2-room cave here for shelter
Oh.
in a pinch. I don't think that's the way.
Okay.
That doesn't look like we can get up there very easily. It gets really brushy.
Okay.
And try going around the other side of the wall.
Watch that cactus.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think we can make it up this.
Oh, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Kind of a big step right here.
Okay. Yeah.
Need a hand?
Nope, thank you.
I think I took the harder route.
I think you did too. That's all right. We'll go down that way.
Yeah, you save energy where you can because, oh, the breeze is picking up.
It's nice. Yeah.
Nothing like a cool breeze when you're sweating a lot in the desert. We got plenty of path to go up here.
Okay.
There's like perfectly natural steps right here. Nature's perfectly carved steps. Look at that.
Thank you, nature.
How about that?
Crazy.
Making it too easy.
I know. Oh wow, look at this. Beautiful. Oh, the air feels so good.
Yeah, I got some shade. Oh yeah, look at that view. Some more prickly pear fruits. These are edible as long as you take off the spines.
I get a little dizzy on the edge here.
Are you living on the edge?
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at that drop off. That little spot right there, I wonder if that's not something.
That little
Yeah,
opening over there.
looks like a cave. Shall we?
Thank you.
Watch your head.
I know.
I hit mine yesterday. We're thinking that might be where this hideout is. These ruins, maybe right up there.
It's kind of far.
It's worth checking out.
Yeah. Oh, it's a big heart.
Big heart with a fruit on it.
Oh, sweet. I love it.
There's a heart for you, love.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, that spot's looking really interesting up there. Definitely looks like it's got a lot of shelter potential.
Cool. I don't think there's anything up there, is there? Or, oh, wait, I see something.
Yeah, there's a
I see some
stack of rocks
yeah.
there that looks like it could be man-made.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's look for a
Is
way.
that supposed to be it?
Well, I think we should investigate. Yeah, I definitely see some structure up there. I think that's the hidden ruins.
I think that's it. How do we get up there?
It can be a little bit of a scramble here.
Yeah, there's a whole lot more stuff up there. That's definitely it.
It's just a walk in the park, huh?
Just a walk in the park.
Oh yeah, there's quite a rock wall right there.
Yeah. Does that look like the way?
This looks pretty steep right here, so I think this is going to be the way. See, I could step right there, but I might send that falling back on trees, so I'm not going to go that route. So we got more evidence of collapsed walls coming down. You can see that one right there, and there's one right there. See how to get up there. That was easy, huh?
Walk in the park.
Yeah. But the view, huh?
Wow. Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at that. Look at the view that they had. Incredible. Kind of the first little structure here. It's got like a little hole in it right there. Just appears to be a stack of rocks. But there's somebody's had fires in here. Right here. And I guess what's left over of a wall here. And right here. As you see where all that soot from the fires has been. I think this is just a partial wall. It was probably all walled off at one point.
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
And the fire area here. It's like I had it tucked back up in here. You can still see some charcoal. It doesn't mean some hikers didn't come up here and make a fire too, but
Yeah.
But that's built up from a long time of burning fires.
We going over here? Are you going up there?
I like to try to get up there.
I'm not doing that. I'll wait here.
Okay. Yeah, remnants of part of another structure right here. Or it was maybe up top and fell over.
Yeah, it's probably built up there.
Looks like there's a place to stand up right here. We think these were the Sinagua Indian tribe. You know, this could have been 800 to over 1,000 years ago that it was built. It's really interesting. It looks like this log was placed in here at the bottom. Maybe not really a smart choice, you know, to put a bunch of heavy rocks on top of a log like that. But it is held for a long time, so maybe that's fine. Why do you think they built up here? I mean, it's certainly a good ledge. I mean, would have a hard time getting up, and I don't trust that pile of rocks to get back down. So, no glyphs here that we can make out. So that's always interesting when you see them some places and you don't see them in others. I think I'm gonna see what I can see from right here and not try to get up here and struggle to get down, because this is very unstable.
The Sinagua built their cliff dwellings using locally available materials such as sandstone, limestone, and timber. They utilized natural alcoves and caves in the cliffs and constructed multi-story buildings using stone masonry techniques. What caused the decline of the Sinagua civilization? What happened to their descendants? The decline of the Sinagua civilization around 1400 CE is attributed to factors such as environmental changes, social upheaval, or conflicts with neighboring groups. Many Sinagua likely integrated into other cultures, such as the Hopi and Zuni, whose descendants continue to inhabit the region today. Many mysteries remain about the Sinagua people, including aspects of their culture, religious practices, and reasons for the abandonment of their settlements. Archaeologists continue to study ancient sites, uncovering new insights and posing new questions about the past.
Very sheltered, as you can see up there. So just naturally protected from the weather. It's a good spot, hard to get to. But the ancients were probably really good athletes, can get up this pretty easily. Well, it's late in the day. We got a long hike down to get out of here, so we're gonna get going. But yeah, beautiful cliff dwelling here. I think I found another heart rock.
Oh, sweet heart. Love you.
Love you.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Make a wish. Yay. I survived.
Yes, we're almost down. We hope you enjoyed our adventure finding this hidden ruin. Let us know what you think of this video, and we really appreciate you subscribing.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for your comments and letting us know what the names of flowers are or birds that you hear, because we're learning more about nature, and we love for people to learn more about nature, and they can read your comments and learn from you.
Right, and if we say something wrong, you can correct us.
Yeah.
That's good. Just be kind.
And here we are back at the Arroyo. We've come full circle.
And we will see you next time.